What if I told you that the future of luxury off-roading has just arrived in the form of the 2025 Lexus LX 600? Buckle up and prepare to be amazed as we dive into every curve, every feature, and every secret that makes this vehicle a game-changer in the world of premium SUVs. From its groundbreaking design to its state-of-the-art technology, the LX 600 is more than just a car. It's a revolution on wheels that promises adventure, comfort, and sheer performance. Imagine conquering rugged terrains with an SUV that feels as comfortable on a mountain pass as it does cruising down city streets. The 2025 Lexus LX 600 blends elegance and toughness in a way that redefines what luxury means in an off-road machine. With its robust engine, advanced suspension system, and cutting-edge safety features, this vehicle has been meticulously engineered to offer not only superior driving dynamics, but also an experience that is both exhilarating and reassuring. Every detail, from the meticulously crafted interior to the innovative driver assist systems, has been designed with one goal in mind: to elevate your journey. As you listen, I invite you to picture yourself behind the wheel, exploring uncharted paths while enjoying the uncompromising luxury that Lexus is renowned for. Stay with me as we uncover how the LX 600's powerful engine, sleek aerodynamic lines, and intuitive technology set a new benchmark for SUVs. We'll explore its adaptive ride control that adjusts seamlessly to varying terrains, the premium materials that cocoon you in comfort, and the integrated connectivity features that ensure you remain connected, no matter where the road takes you. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to drive a vehicle that's as fearless as you are? The LX 600 challenges conventional limits with its performance capabilities and boasts an engine that delivers an impressive blend of power and efficiency. Its advanced traction systems and smart off-road modes ensure that you never have to compromise on safety or performance, even when the unexpected occurs. This is not just a vehicle, it's an invitation to embrace the unknown and redefine your own adventure. But the story doesn't end there. Throughout this video, I'll be revealing exclusive insights into the design philosophy that went into creating this marvel of automotive engineering. We'll discuss how Lexus merged futuristic design with practical functionality to create an SUV that is as reliable as it is stylish. Stay tuned, because each segment is crafted to keep you at the edge of your seat, ready for the next big reveal. Every aspect of the LX 600 tells a story of innovation, passion, and relentless pursuit of perfection. The interior is a sanctuary of advanced technology and luxurious materials, offering a cockpit that is both intuitive and inviting. From ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood to ergonomic seating that supports you on long journeys, this SUV was designed with the modern adventurer in mind. And if you're curious about the latest advancements in automotive safety, you're in for a treat. This vehicle's comprehensive suite of safety features is nothing short of revolutionary. Expanding on these remarkable details, let's dive deeper into the innovations that make the LX 600 truly unique. Lexus has incorporated an intelligent drive system that learns from your driving habits and the surrounding terrain, adapting in real time to offer a customized driving experience. Advanced sensors, cutting-edge radar technology, and machine learning algorithms work in concert to anticipate road conditions and potential obstacles, ensuring you have a seamless drive in any environment. The integration of eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems also highlights Lexus's commitment to sustainability without sacrificing performance. This SUV not only excels in delivering dynamic power, but also in setting new standards for environmentally responsible luxury vehicles. By merging high performance with smart technology and sustainable practices, the LX 600 embodies a forward-thinking approach that is as exciting as it is practical. I want you to remember that everything shared in this video comes from trusted sources, including the official Lexus website, Motor Trend, and Car and Driver. Their insights have shaped our understanding of what the 2025 Lexus LX 600 represents for the future of luxury SUVs. So if you're excited to learn more, share this video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and join the conversation as we explore this magnificent machine together. The adventure is just beginning, and trust me, you don't want to miss what comes next. Get ready to redefine your drive, because with the 2025 Lexus LX 600, the road ahead is more thrilling than ever before.